What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a TV which is having a white screen on a panel and there's no color at all in a screen. So as you guys can see it, the model number of this TV is, this is a particularly Samsung brand, and the model number is la40b650T1F. This is made in Malaysia, and yeah, this is very good TV. And let me show you how we can fix the problem. So as you guys can see it here, I already opened up the back cover, removed the back cover of the TV, so then I can make a video so you guys can see it, to save a bit of time. In the back of this TV there's not many circuit boards. There's only two, as you guys can see. This is a inverter board which lights up the back panel of the TV, and it combined with the power supply, which is a very cool idea. So this way they don't have to assemble or install another power supply board to power up the TV. So this is the inverter plus power supply, and on the left side here you guys can see it's a big board which is the heart of this TV, or I can say this is a motherboard or logic board, whatever you guys can call it or like to say. This is the main logic board here, which controls all the function in this LCD, like video, audio, and output connectors, USB, HDMI, all kind of connectors as well. And the third board is T-con board. This board is responsible for us to give us a video or picture on a display, and the color and everything, which is controlled by this board, T-con board. Normally you find this board on top of your TV, on the back cover, somewhere about here, but in this particular model they mounted it at the bottom, which is close to the stand of this TV. So before I commence any repair, I like to show you the symptom of the TV so you guys can have a clear idea what we're going to repair today and how it's possible. Okay, so for that I just plug in the power cable and let's power it on and start it. So that's it. You guys can see it's only blank white screen. There's no color, and there's a picture. There's no problem with the sound. Even the sound goes up, down, it's no problem at all. Or even if I change the channels, see the channels going down. So that's it. You guys can see this is the problem we're having on this Samsung TV, and today I'm going to repair it. And so before I commence repair, I just power it off. We just get back here, and it's always mandatory, or you guys can, is for the safety reason, you have to unplug your power supply, because all these circuits, especially this one, it's a high voltage inside, so you don't want to touch it at all. Now so as I mentioned you guys, I'm guessing this is a T-con board problem. It's nothing to deal with this one, because this board is already feeding with the signals, so the video signals and audio signals, so this board is okay. The only problem is the display problem, which is related to the T-con board. Either I have to change the whole T-con board, or maybe there's some short, or some ICs need to be replaced or changed, or in order to get that fixed. So yep, so So I have to remove this 1 2 3 4 and 2 underneath, 6 screws, and the stand as well, obviously, to get into the T-con board. And once I can take it out the T-con board, I'll show you which IC need to be replaced or where is the problem once I identify it. So stay tuned. So here we back again, guys. You can see I repaired the T-con board and I just mounted it back of the chassis, and it's all underneath that metal sheet, and it's been repaired and replaced the ICs for the T-con board. And now it's time to do a final check. Let's see if we solve that problem. That was a white blank screen, no color at all. Is it completely solved or not? So for that, I just plug in the power cord and I just started the TV, and this is the time to have a look at the front, and there we go, we got the picture, and which is much more different than the last picture. So guys, you can see the problem is being solved. If you like my video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment, please leave it on and I just reply you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you.